My love, I didn't get paid today, but I just want you to know that I love you and every day is Valentine's Day with me and you. That's okay, love. It's a thought that counts, innit? Baby, I didn't get paid today, but guess what? See, as soon as that money hit that direct deposit, I'm gonna take you shopping. But in the meantime, I got this for you. Baby, come on. Don't trip. Stop it. You're always good to me. Every day's Valentine's Day. Come here. Yo, dog. I want you, my youth. You dog, yeah, dog. I serve you and Sandra around there with them little giant flowers there. Just ease yourself, dog. Get up on the ramping. Just ease yourself. Yo, Sanja. Sanja. Yo, girl, Sanja. Me know you're a bad man a call. That's what me doing, man. Sanja. John no star. Badaras, how you call up my name so far? Ain't Badaras? Oh, you be no bad man a call you for? Come here, man. Just ease yourself and forward. Oh, you mean what I mean? You should call up my name so what? Yeah, man. Sure. You hear me answer now? Boss never pay you today now. So I'm not depend nothing right now. So hear me answer. Just hold them now. Just hold them until later. Alright? Cool. Easy yourself. Okay, now Badaras. But that's what you do with me. Yeah? Badaras, let me tell you something. Badaras, I don't want to root here. You hear me tell you? Who you give them a job for it? Me look like flowers girl to you? Me look like flowers girl? Okay now? Don't come back here to tell the boss pay you. Because tomorrow, Valentine's Day, if I don't get them from you and I get them from you, you're going to bright. I get the flowers in your fling in your rasta. Sanja, where you at, Sanja?